oboriwa akwenekia bunangosira bare abana n'abakolia bya ase chiskuru akorende nigo bakurwa se chinga chitari kwenyara kagokora umuchakibye kyombe cyo gosira abana abataka kemanye kantebu na Kebaso Foundation nigo abeire gako boria barayi kwenekia bunangocha baramona kubwatirana eriyo gosira chisemya sogosira abana bakurwa se chinga chitari kwenyara no murobere bagokorekana asomo bogano yemo imeye county ya Nyamira sabanke babere bako keregetamkirekyo na kworokia omogo kobo gati yabo omwalimu munene w'eskuri y'abanyaruka ya Sironga Jeni Nyanumba abo baboririe abasamaria bayakogendera wesokya na gusira abana iriko banyo ko bacinga kinyororo cyo kwegenderera buyana masomo abo cinga kibare ase chiskuru Paul Kapokara namange
agago kwanemeye umuboganya yo mumeyo muciga Onyamira umuchaki w'ishirikeliga ligokonya abantu bali abangaine bakurwase chiyamata chiri chitari kwenyara limanyakanite buna Kebaso Foundation oyo manyakanite buyabuna seneta Kebaso nigo agendere ko bagakwerere ikikirerete eriwe ko munyene gucakya lishirikeliga unenjire ya muyoko batolia abana bangaine abagendete gweterenga yi yo kubora ko bisago by'amasomo
pyaro ta tigete batorete nyumba bakatuga poko bagatokora muna abana babo tugakinera muhabo tukagende sikuru ko rwaro tugacha bafoka tukarwaba igase igo umuntu na nara ukufelina maba mabuko kwa mundenene mumonde tera mwikan ko bakiye tv alright. The mother to my mother, she took us in when things were tough. She made us hard, and here we stand today. We can
kwana boigo nigagendere ko bagakwerere njira bakonyira abana asalire iranga mwanonde bwensi tayora kunyara ko bagagotiwe siko oyo lishirikeliga liosira nigo baraene kibuna abana baiga basa serious amatukare bosiri gokonya cyamate cyabo.
This would have not been possible possibly if I didn't have the support from my wife. My wife has been awesome. When I told her we need to put into the foundation every year $10,000 from our family, she never objected. She said, that's okay. When you get back to B, we pay all the money, okay? So keep working. We only support smart students.
Nigo boiga gendere ko bagakubasege tabara ikwene kibunango tambe yabali ogokonya ochase bali batari kwenyara nenjire ye moyo gukinigesa kukyuma gusi nanene asechi semege kugera cyo kirakonya abana samatukare bosyo.
Just this year alone we received about over 20,000 applications for the foundation, and we don't have that money to support all those students. So some of you politicians, friends, lawyers, doctors, pick for some of those students. Let's help them so that they can also be where we are today.
Ningana yagokerwa amo nabarai ao egati abo abalimu abonene besukuru Jeni Nyanumba no mwalimu munene w'eskuru lyabo iseke ya Sironga.
A noble idea from the Kebaso Foundation, who decided, not because they had excess funds, but because from the deep bottom of their hearts, they have that feeling that they need to support the vulnerable children. As principals, we experience the challenge of sending them away because we know they do not have where they are destined to go and get the funds. And when somebody shows up and takes up the responsibility of taking up the business of paying the school fees for them, we really appreciate and we pray for those people. Kebaso Foundation, you are not taken for granted.
I want to say thank you to Kebaso Foundation for identifying Sironga girls. And we hope, by God's grace, that all that you intend to do may be accomplished successfully.
Iginto boigo abanga bago kire ase seneta Kebaso boiga agenda ko bagagosegeta nakurwa ikyorokelye kiyago chia ase eyamate yo mugusi.
That's cause I thank you for the Kebaso Foundation.
Igingo report ligeta sini kya wanjete Kendize TV kurugiga imeye county Nyamira igonkuru kwa Polycarp Okara.